Hello, welcome to a video. Happy Thursday, everyone. If you're watching this not on a Thursday, then happy whatever day that is. I've got my blonde sour here. It was one I did that has some Cheerios flavor going on. It's like 3 or 4 months ago. Still has it a little bit. Allegedly, it could fade over time. I haven't experienced that yet, so hopefully it will. Still really fruity though, really nice. This past weekend, July 14th weekend, 15th weekend, I recorded a series of videos with my friend Rob. He has been in these videos before. You may know him from such great classics as making a Czech lager, tasting really old homebrew, and we did a decoction mash attempt as well. There are 3 videos that we recorded in the space of a day while we were brewing. The first of 3 you're going to see right now, and going to end with a brew day. We tried something a little fun, got a little crazy, had to get a little scientific, hack some things together if you will, but it was fun. So enjoy the first of 3 right now. It's going to start, by the way, right where I'm sitting. Rob is back with me. Been brewing less. He did have a kid. He did make a beer recently with his father as an extract batch, and he's going to explain what the recipe is before we continue.
So it's a Blue Moon clone that was extract with steeping grains. It fermented at my dad's house, and he is not a very, let's say, adroit at keeping the keeping the temperature in line with where it should. So it fermented hot, and when we opened the primary fermenter, it was like, it burned my nostrils. It was like moonshine. Like, it was the strongest like alcohol smell, like singed my nose. Ugh. It was so bad. And so something was clearly wrong with it from the start.
Because he was trying to, if I remember right, he said he was trying to do a water bath.
This wasn't even that.
Oh,
he just like put the air conditioner on and he kept it in his house. It was like, it still got 80 degrees in the living room during the day when they're at work. So,
exactly, yeah.
So it fermented way too hot.
Yeah.
And then something went wrong when we bottled it. Like, it was already off.
Right.
But it wasn't terrible. But when we bottled it, I've opened about 4 of them, and it's a total crapshoot. It's either flat, it's a bottle bomb, or it just foams like crazy, or it's perfect and it tastes delicious.
That's hilarious.
So I've had one that was delicious, and of course it was the first one I opened.
Of course.
So I was like, oh man, this turned out great. And then everyone since then has been like weird off flavors. It's either flat and tastes funny, or it tastes okay but it's just like pure carbonation. So this is basically Russian roulette. We're gonna choose a bottle each, choose your fate, and we're gonna open them until we find a good one. If we don't find a good one, then so be it. But
I love it. And also we'll find out, like, really, you know, get the feel for our flavors and learn a little bit along the way.
Yeah.
We do need glassware though, don't we?
We do. Let's do it. You want the first spin of the chamber?
These just mentally, these look like they might be more, I should say visually, because they look a little bubbly.
They do look bubbly.
But I'm going to go with the one with the less head space.
Okay.
Maybe there's more pressure built up.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, it seems like it's fine. But now we got to taste it though, right?
We got to taste, we got to see if it's flat. No? It looks okay. If we get it on the first try, I'll be impressed.
It has a little bit of something there, doesn't it?
These are also about 6 months old at this point.
Yeah. Well, it's not bad. That's pretty good, actually.
It's got a funny aftertaste, though.
It does a little bit, but the nose has more of that stinging thing to it. Mm-hmm. A little bit. It like burns the nostrils a little bit.
It still has it a little bit. It was
a little fusily.
It was bracing when I first opened it up. It was like, I almost like couldn't handle it. So
it's definitely up. I actually enjoy this. It doesn't have the sweetness that extracts can sometimes have, at least my opinion of extract.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good. It's drinkable.
So,
yeah,
the one that I opened,
nice.
The first one that I opened that was delicious, I tried it back to back with an actual Blue Moon, and it wasn't indistinguishable, but it was really close.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't taste anything like a Blue Moon now.
Oh, okay. So I haven't had Blue Moon forever. This tastes like a Blue Moon to me. Yeah. I haven't had it in probably like 4 years. Okay.
So you want to try another one?
Your turn.
All right.
Your turn. We'll go back to back.
All right. I'm going to go... Screw it. I'm going to go with the most bubbly looking one.
Okay.
We'll see.
Watching none of them are explosions.
So if it foams over, I'm going to go this way.
Okay, perfect. Okay, good. I'll drink it. Don't worry.
Right.
Oh, that's a flat one. It's a flatty.
Yep. No fireworks.
So one for two.
All steak, no sizzle. Yeah, it's totally flat. But you see what I mean? It's like it's just entirely random.
Did he bottle it or did you bottle it?
We bottled it together.
Okay.
But
well, that's weird.
The only thing I could think is that we didn't incorporate the bottling sugar well enough.
You might be right. Now,
you know?
This is a lot more boozy smelling than the last one.
Yeah.
It's more in your face.
Yeah, it's got that like just pure like grain
and
alcohol smell to it.
Really watery. This tastes nothing like the last one. I can't believe they're the same beer.
Yeah, they're the same beer.
It's like watery and
it's really weird. It's entirely.
You weren't kidding because he's like, I have this beer that's like wildly inconsistent. I'm like, can't be that inconsistent.
It doesn't taste
like
the
same
beer.
Inconsistent. No, it really doesn't.
It looks like it. It's the same color. I don't know what went wrong. I don't know if like they were brand new bottles too. Weird. They were brand new bottles, sanitized. So it's not like I brewed a sour or something and then it was infected with something.
Do you remember the final gravity on it?
I don't.
Guys, leave comments below if you have any clue to what this is because we're at a little bit of a loss. Take some stabs at it. We'll take a look at it and see. Maybe take some suggestions later on. But for it sounds like you did all the right steps on bottling. And maybe it's fermented out like way down or something. So like some didn't recarbonate that well.
But the fact that they would taste so different.
I'll give you that.
It's not just that it's flat. It's that it's completely different character.
It tastes like water.
It tastes like water, but its nose is like it has that like just grain alcohol.
It's so weird.
All right,
go with this one. This could be overcarbonated. It is.
No,
oh, not bad.
Right.
It's not bad. It's definitely more of a hiss than the other ones were.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure.
See what I mean?
That's amazing. The inconsistent. I've never seen bottle conditioning
One's
go
perfect.
this insane. Oh my.
All right.
Pretty clear though. That's color.
Let's smell that one. Doesn't smell one. That one smells totally different
too. Totally different.
Totally different from the first two.
This is more orangey to it. It has a lot more orange coming out.
Well, it had bitter orange peel. It had quite a bit of bitter.
See, this is coming out on it.
Yeah.
I think it's actually my favorite of the three. Obviously, the second one was a dud, but this is a lot more orangey. You can taste and smell the orange coming out. You know, it's a little overcarbonated, but obviously that settles out. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's do, we have three more.
I'm going to go with this one.
It sounded carbonated. It smells like the last one, actually. This one's pretty good, too. There's a little bit, in this one, Band-Aid or something. Is it the same thing? Like a little bit.
It's got something. It's got something.
I wonder if they got an infection at bottling somehow. That very well could be it also.
But they were brand new bottles that were sanitized.
Yeah, but maybe, something happened to get in your bottling conditioning.
It's weird. But it's weird that it wasn't consistently across the whole batch.
I'm with you. This tastes a lot like the last one. Orangey, it's good.
Yeah. This one's a little flatter.
A little flatter.
Yeah. Like in flavor and in carbonation.
You're right. All right, two left. Are the last couple going to be good?
Maybe.
This one smells already a little more fusily than the last two we just had.
It's sharp.
It's more really sharp. It hurts your nose a little more.
Yeah. Imagine that times 100. That's what it was when I opened the primary.
And more watery. So it's interesting. The ones that were fusily smelling and burn your nose are more watery in taste.
Yeah.
Fascinating. Not as watery as the other one. Granted, the other one was flat. But this has a watery sort of end to it.
If it smells orange, it's good.
You know you're going to be fine.
If it smells like moonshine,
it's not. It's going to be flat and weird.
Flat and weird.
Yeah. Or like watery.
And watery.
Yeah. All right, one more.
Last one.
Do the honors.
Here we go.
Okay. It's only one really flat one.
Only one really flat one.
So we'll know right off the bat if it's orangey. This is orangey to me.
It's orangey, but it's not as good as the one I said to set aside.
Right. You're right. And it's a little more watery. It's like in between the watery one and the other one. That is crazy.
Wildly inconsistent. But like there's like 1 out of 6 is really good.
Yeah.
It's like I want to drink this.
Yeah. And the rest you're like, and then the watery one, the flat one, you're like, it's not drinkable.
Yeah.
This is still drinkable at least.
It's fine.
Even though it's a little fusily.
Yeah. It's fine.
Slurry. This is nice. This is closer to the other ones though, even though it's a little watery.
Yeah.
So again, guys, if you have any suggestions, let us know or comments. We'll get to the bottom of this. We'll get to the bottom of what happened here, because
I want to send it to a lab.
we should.
Like,
Yeah,
I don't want to spend the money to do that.
No.
But
In my 8 years of homebrewing and his 9 years of homebrewing, we've never experienced this in ever. It's crazy.
And it's like, maybe it's the bitter orange peel has some... clearly the bitter orange peel has some effect.
Right.
Because the ones with more bitter orange peel have more carbonation.
Right.
And more nose. Like,
Right.
the reason you know it's more bitter orange peel in the character of the beer, because it smells more orange.
Right. Yeah.
So, like... But why it wouldn't be,
and why would be
consistent?
Yeah, and it's one thing if it was over carbonated, one was, but it tasted the same, or one was undercarbonated or flat. Like, okay, fine, some bottles didn't get whatever.
Right.
But the fact that like some are phenol-y and super watery, and some are like orangey and good, is bizarre.
I don't get it.
It's weird. So, there you have it. Russian roulette complete. So yeah, thank you for watching, and get out there and just make perfect beer all the time. It's really easy.